D&M Toy Club. Are you subscribed? Hey guys, we got this awesome tool set. We're going to take a look at some new tools today. We've got our bulldozers and our cement trucks. We got our drill and hammer. Let's take a look at all of our cool toys. Let's do it. Alright guys, first up we've got our pliers. These are really cool. These are actually sharp enough to cut any type of screw. Simply put it inside that opening there and snip it. And that cuts up. These are pliers. Take a look at this one. This is our file. This is our metal file. You take a file, you put it on the end of a nail or a screw, and you file it down straight. This is one of the coolest things we've got in our tool set. Next up, flathead screwdriver. You want to know why they call it flathead? Because it's flat. That's right. It's flat in the front. See? There's nothing like it. It's not like a Phillips. This is called a Phillips screwdriver. Because it's not flat in the front. It's got 4 sides. A flathead and a Phillips. Now let's take a look at our drill. This thing actually works. Check out our drill. You ready for this? Pretty cool drill, huh? This baby can almost screw in a screw. But it is a toy. It's not real. Gotta check out our hammer. The next one is our hammer. And of course you know what we do with hammers. Ow. Okay, that's not right. Now we've got our saw. That's right. These blades are so sharp, they can cut through anything. I definitely could use that on some wood, that's for sure. Then we've got our wrench. It's actually two-sided wrench. One. And believe it or not, you can actually use this side too. Very cool. It comes in different sizes. Let's see if we can find a different one. Yep, we did. There it is. Oh, gotta go this way. See that one? Same type, but only bigger. Look at how big it is compared to this wrench. It's huge. Now we have our small hammer. Look at the size of this little guy. This one's tiny for little jobs, and this one is big for big jobs. Little, big. Alright, let's move on to our next tool. And we've got our miniature saw. This one's for wood. You can cut wood with this. This one actually cuts metal. You can cut metal with this one. This is the type used only for wood. Wood saw, metal saw. Pretty cool, huh? Alright. Move on to our ball peen hammer, it's called. It's got 2 different, it's like a mallet on one side, it's curved on the other. This is different than this one. This is a traditional hammer. And you see this part right here? That part pulls out all the nails if you make a mistake. That's right. So what else do we have? We've got our adjustable wrench. Look at this baby, this one's the coolest. Because it actually adjusts. You can open it up. See that opening? You simply move this little piece right here back and forth, and it opens and closes its mouth. It's an adjustable wrench. Number 89, 68. Cool stuff. This is different than this one. You can adjust this, but this one's not. You can't adjust it. See that? Just that one. Alright, let's go move on. Oh, this is another type of, this is like a plumber's wrench. These are for big jobs. When plumbers tighten up the pipes when they're working on your sink or your tub or toilet. Ew, toilets. This one works amazing. Again, you can adjust it right here, and it opens and closes. Little mouth. Very cool. Alright, what else do we got? Our last piece. Our awesome handy dandy light. Does it work? Oh, you bet it does. Oh, yeah. It lights up. This one's pretty tough. Well, that's actually what it's called. Tough. The tough light. Now, this one is a 2-sided wrench. But both sides, this one and this one, can be used to tighten up screws or bolts or lug nuts of any size. fits inside. It's gotta fit inside there. Let's take a look at what we have here. This is one of the coolest in the toolbox. This adjusts for measurements. Take a look at that. Let's get closer now. Pretty cool, huh? Look at that. Slide it down and measure it up. So how big is that? I don't know, but I can take it and measure it. Oh, look. It is 3 inches. Bam. This one's used for measuring. Alright guys, if you like my video, give me a thumbs up. Share my video with friends. Remember, you gotta subscribe. Hit the subscribe button because I've got all kinds of cool videos coming at you. Bye guys.